So twice so far this semester, my computer has failed me in the middle of action. And the first time it was actually the logic board needed replaced in the end. It's because of a bad graphics card. Luckily I had my backup, and then a few weeks after that, my operating system pretty much went corrupt. It was suspected as a result of using Boot Camp on a Mac, which is the Windows thing. So lots of other people have had this problem, but Apple hasn't really recognized it. From there I was able to restore my system from my backup, and was good to go. Didn't have to pay anything, and my computer wasn't starting. So we're going to go over now how to make a bootable copy, which is a backup copy of your entire system that you can boot to from any other computer.
So Windows users, you actually have it easy for once. Usually it's like an extra step to do something on a Windows computer. But luckily, with a Windows backup, one of the advantages is it's actually going to make a bootable copy for you. So as long as you choose to have Windows in that wizard, as long as you let Windows do the choosing of what files, it'll copy everything. It's also going to build a little boot up some instructions, so you can actually boot into that. So pretty convenient, and yeah, it's all done for you.
So check out the column for instructions on how to do that.
Yeah.
On a Mac, you do need a third-party software. One of the most popular, because it's free, is called Super Duper. Super, S-U-P-E-R-D-U-P-E-R, exclamation point. And basically, you can download a free trial of that. The whole program can do a lot more.
It's an awesome
But in the free version, you can definitely just make a bootable copy. That's like the only thing it does, but that's what we need it for. And so you download that, open it up, it'll basically say which drive do you want to copy, and you select one, and then which drive do you want to copy to, and select that. And
pretty simple
let
stuff.
it go, and then you can have that bootable copy.
And what's really important, you guys have to realize you can't just plug it in and suddenly have your computer start running off of that hard drive. There's some extra steps. So you have to restart your computer. And on a Windows computer, it's got all that really goofy, ugly-looking text, and you have to hit F2. It should say at the top of the bottom, and it'll say Boot Menu. And you hit F2, and it's going to let you choose where you want to boot from. Your primary choice will be hard drive. Down the line, you'll find USB, which is where your hard drive will be plugged in.
It could be a USB device. It could be, DVD's an option if you want to boot from a DVD. It'll probably say external device if it's plugged in by FireWire.
Yeah. So just try and figure that one out. It's not too hard. But on a Mac, it's actually pretty much the same thing.
Same thing. Instead of hitting F2, you hit Option. Really easy to remember because it's like, I'm trying to choose where to boot from, which is an option. So hit the Option key while it's starting up. And make sure you start holding that down as soon as you press the power button to turn it on.
Same thing with the Windows.
And then just hold it until it comes up with the menu with your choices. It's pretty much the same choices.
And your bootable copy is also good for other things. If you mess up and delete a program, you could actually, in theory, just go back in time and use that. And if you need to go grab files, if you accidentally deleted just a file, it'll be on that MLAP backup too. So it's not just for just huge crashes. Your backup can be used for tons of other, mistakes. All right.
Oh, wait, go zombies.
Oh yes, yeah. We unfortunately. Monday afternoon.